First, gather 2 pounds of beef sirloin. Then in a bowl, combine half a cup of plain yogurt with minced garlic, about 3 cloves worth. Add in a tablespoon each of ground coriander and ground cumin. Don't forget a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and turmeric. For a kick, include half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix these ingredients together and then introduce the beef. Ensure it's well coated with the marinade. Once done, cover the bowl and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat, creating a rich, flavorful experience. After the marination process, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the marinated beef and cook until it's browned and cooked through. While the beef cooks, warm up 6 pita flatbreads. These will serve as the delightful, fluffy pocket for your shawarma fillings. Once everything is ready, it's time to assemble the shawarma. Stuff each pita with the cooked beef, a handful of shredded lettuce, slices of 1 large tomato and a cucumber. For the final touch, drizzle each one with tahini sauce. Just a few notes to consider. For a low-fat version, you can substitute the beef with cubed chicken breast. For those who prefer gluten-free options, use gluten-free wraps instead of pita bread. And to cater to our vegetarian friends, grilled vegetables or tofu can replace the beef. Pro tip: for an authentic touch, consider grilling the marinated beef over an open flame. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.